Come on. Okay, so this seagull's got a dropped wing. However, he can fly pretty well. And he does this weird behaviour. Don't you, sweetheart? He runs all the other birds off, then comes back. But he does kind of begging behaviour as well, like he's young, and I can't figure it out. So the wing's quite badly dropped. However, he can fly quite well. Yeah, okay. So as soon as the other birds come, he'll chase them all off again. All hatched. So what's going on here that I've missed? Hello. Who stole the rest of my lunch? And that's a wet poo. That's very ungrateful. Very ungrateful. Somebody stole it. While you were entertaining us with your dropped wing, somebody stole it.
A bald pigeon?
Which is just as well, because I've had enough anyhow. Okay? Anyhow, he can fly perfectly well.